in this tutorial I'll be going to talking about lists or arrays in Python. So this is a hello world.py project, and now if you want to store suppose you are making a program in which you want to store hundreds, millions or thousands of data. So you cannot make variables for each of the data and store it. So you can make lists and organize the data. So for making a list, you first give the name of the list. So I'll just give names, and now I'll add an is equal to. As you know that is equal to is used for assigning values, and now a square bracket, and now whatever in these you will write in these square brackets will be considered as a string. You just need to separate different elements with commas. So now I'll just give some random names, Tanush and so this names list or array is storing 4 different elements. Now when you print names, you can see that it is printing all the 4 names. So these are the basics of strings. Now suppose you want to use any single element of this list. You want to reach any single elements of the list. So you can just do that by just typing print and then square brackets and then typing the index of the element you want to reach. So indexes are something which is used to access elements. So indexes start from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So this Tom element is at the index position 0, this Tanush element is at the index position 1, John is at index position 2, and Sam is at index position 3. Always remember, index position starts from 0, not from 1. So for just accessing a single element, you can just type the index of them. So suppose now I want to access this Tanush element. I can just do it by typing the index of this element, which is 1, as 0 and 1. Now when you run this program, you can see that it is printing Tanush. Now if you want to access this element, John, you can just simply do it by adding using 2 here, and you can see that it is printing John. Now if now I want to access this Tom, you can just do it by typing 0 in the index position, and you can see that it is printing Tom. So these are the basics of lists and arrays in Python.